Cecilia Dapaah. When
Hi guys, this is Fast on Ghana SMTV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, the breaking news is that FBI have found no direct evidence of corruption against Cecilia Dapaah. This is from the OSP. Guys, the OSP referred the case against Cecilia Dapaah, or the allegation on Madam Cecilia Dapaah, from engaging in corruption and its related activity to the FBI. People thought this woman was going to be arrested for the rest of her life. Apparently, the report is out, and FBI have cleared her and washed her and make her white as snow. Bro, in this country, the OSP was doing talking as if he has some substantial evidence against the woman. He took the matter to court, lost the case, but came on media to come and cry. He cried like a baby, as if he has been cheated in court, and kept on creating an impression that there's some corruption ongoing, and it's President Akuffo who is not allowing him to do his job. As especially kept on ranting, kept on blabbing about Madam Cecilia Dapaah. He called her names. He described the Cecilia Dapaah as a criminal. He described her with several names. And today, she has been cleaned and cleared. And this same statement is coming from the OSP, the same person who maligned her name, the same person who accused her of stealing state funds. Bro, this particular Cecilia Dapaah case became the national anthem of this country. People said Akuffo was corrupt, and is one of the major reasons why the people of Ghana believed and voted NDC. Today, what is happening? What is happening to even Oral? People are being cleared day in, day out. What is going on? And today, OSP come and give us a message. Come and tell us what's happening with Cecilia Dapaah case. You dare tell us that, oh...
Cecilia Dapaah, when in May 2024, the then head of IOCO returned the docket back to the OSP. The OSP didn't comment, did it? We didn't express an opinion as to whether we agreed with its conclusion or otherwise, or as to whether we agreed with the Attorney General then. We had investigated the matter. We had hit a wall in terms of our mandate. We were seeing things that looked like in the province of IOCO's mandate. So we sent the docket to IOCO under referral, under provisions under our act. Not for them to go to court, because we didn't think the docket was ready for prosecution. What we suggested was, do your own investigation, commence your own investigation to see if you will see conclusions of what we think we are seeing. They returned it to us wholly and said they didn't have any basis upon which to commence investigation. Now, a year later, there's a new leadership. The new leadership has requested for the docket that they want to review and commence investigation. So we've given it back to IOCO under the new leadership, and we have promised them our full collaborative support and partnership in respect of their review and investigation. Shouldn't you be happy that someone wants to take action and not someone who just closes a file and says, I can't even open up to investigate?
For New York boss na wabano. Our boy Raymond Acha. SA OSP. Embo modern say or de anti-C a docket no ebe mano. Say anti-C docket in the or don't forward the mano. Mani any view once on forwarded the same docket ni na umbrella. Na Akuffo wo interest e wan TC case ni. Abujafo uni man TC a former MP e de mabantama. Akuffo Addo abem na na sanitation minister. Dodo na friend Cecilia Dapaah. Ye de anti-C ni e friend no. Now, according to OSP, na bra no ya anti-C case ni mu hwehwe mu. Sa ma me no say ni house girl fan $1 million, 300,000 pounds. 300,000 Ghana cedis. Di 1 year and san wo hu say sa sika na etim ho no. Ye yi mu say. Okoye case no. Enti Akuffo no say, "O say Akuffo no mo organized crime, money laundering, fraud, ene nyoma no mo hwehwe mu. Ti wo hwe on the way Akuffo din na koye na. O mo say what do I say? Aha. Economic and Organized Crime Office Yoko nti omo no saa nyoma no mu no omo dom suko but on say abra na Nebukadnezar ate so no omo ye na wadre ti an hyade an hu asem na ni so yie enti Yoko boss we awaba oso no de asem no obedom asuko nti omo fa docket ne mre no enti according to enura no OSP ni ma yeti ase say o de docket no wa forwarded documents ni na de akoma no wasa ye copy and paste no de be a good drive so wasa akoma no enti no ye be hwehwem anti si case no maybe anasa sika na team ni dem ho no vote be 6 no mu biebiem sika na team no ma me no ba be chechire mo ntima nchire mu nso a ye a charge no with money laundering na ye hu kwan ye be fa so a ye be sanitize system no because Ghana they say sanitize system no mo kro na nye obi ade a emra ne obi a be di pepepe so me catch them say kenofori ata o ma mo guys me catch them in previous videos abusha for it is hard time also mo fa me serious oh Mom, Mr. Canoma, I just am need to Interpol red list to ma. I told you guys, the lawyers near crocodile John Omodi, ma. And it's a Kisia Jabia declare Canoforiata wanted or not to Interpol red list. So, and this is no as the FBI and British intelligence ni CIA near the Momway, the Intimifa Canoforiata Mragana, near Metotuna no Ghana. Aha, no, the finance minister, no, Dino America. Moya, I na munye video call. Finance minister no do a video call so no din office ha oba no she white near budget so omra Ghana ha no me yin some wo Ghana ha no under this jurisdiction ha ne be interrogations no oni ba bia afa eti OSP why are them abo aba so enra me video say wo hwe why are there ya me show
in court. This is Cecilia Dapaah matter. We are dragging the Yoko and the Attorney General, trying to make sure that the law is interpreted well. You know, Godfrey Dami interpreted the law in such a way to allow Cecilia Dapaah to escape. But we said, no, that's not it. Once that money was found, and the money is money that so far Cecilia Dapaah cannot even account for. She said she had created a business, all the 2 businesses. When OSP did the investigations, those businesses didn't belong to her. So where did that money come from? Money laundering. That's what our case. So the court will deal with it.
That's the case you are in court with?
Yes.
Okay, so...
Yes. And then Domahini Osiadio Ajmanbedu the second. Good. And then today, let me add, apart from the 52.5 billion that we are asking Johnson Equiamwese to bring the report on, there's a new one. This Ghana Bauxite Company Limited. Can you imagine? In 2022, 80% shares in Ghana Bauxite Company Limited were sold, okay, for $12.5 million. And then in 2024, that company is now worth over $1 billion. I mean, what kind of valuation? But we just feel that the Ghana Bauxite Company, those shares, the 80% shares that were sold, that Akuffo Company Limited bought, we think that it has to be forensically investigated because that bauxite is way too much to have been sold for $12.5 million. And yet in 2 years, not much investment has been done, and now this company is valued at over $1 billion. Over $1 billion. So it's not even like the company that bought Akuffo Company Limited, not like they brought in $200 million so that you think that, oh, now the company's valuation is gone to $1 billion. Not much investment, and yet this company is now worth over $1 billion. We want the government to investigate forensic, investigations, so that do a forensic audit. Let's see what happened. Is it a case that our bauxite was given away to MPP cronies? Yes, that's the question we should be interested in doing. And the matter of insider dealings, etc.
Well, we'll look at that. The reason why I asked about this, Cecilia Dapaah, bit, and the fact that you said you are in court on that, because we don't know, right? Whether or not the source of the money and so on, and the participation you put with that money laundering, we don't know. But then this week, this matter was in court.
Yeah.
I mean, and one of the
prosecutor. It went on and on and on. And this same lawyer, Martin Pebu, sat on TV.